Ever wondered why some people seem so at ease in the kitchen, effortlessly whipping up mouth-watering dishes while others struggle with even the simplest of recipes? Well, today we're going to demystify the art of cooking and make it accessible to everyone. Becoming a confident chef doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey, a process of learning, experimenting, and above all, enjoying the ride. So, whether you're a beginner or just someone looking to brush up on your culinary skills, this guide is designed to help you navigate the kitchen with ease and flair. First off, understanding your ingredients is crucial. Knowing what each ingredient brings to a dish, its flavor profile, and how it interacts with other elements, can elevate your cooking from good to great. Next, mastering basic cooking techniques is essential. From learning how to properly chop vegetables and herbs to understanding the difference between sautéing, searing, and stir-frying, these fundamental skills form the backbone of any successful dish. Then, there's the art of seasoning. Knowing when and how to season your food is a game changer. Remember, seasoning is more than just salt and pepper. It's about understanding the balance of flavors and how to use herbs, spices, and other condiments to enhance the taste of your food. Finally, don't forget the importance of presentation. They say we eat with our eyes first, and a well-presented dish can truly enhance the dining experience. So, take the time to garnish your dish, arrange your food in an appealing way, and serve it with style. In summary, becoming a confident chef is all about understanding your ingredients, mastering basic cooking techniques, perfecting the art of seasoning, and presenting your food in an appealing way. But above all, it's about having fun in the kitchen, enjoying the process, and sharing your culinary creations with your loved ones. So, go ahead and start your culinary journey today. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, experiment with flavors, and create your own unique dishes. After all, cooking is an art, and every artist needs a little bit of freedom to create their masterpiece. Happy cooking!